Tacos were fun for us. It was just one of those fun dinners that we often had when I was growing up. My aunt made the best tacos I ever had. I still can't quite figure out her recipe or her technique, but one thing I knew that remained constant was that beat up old frying pan that she often used to fry up the tortillas. It was missing a handle and had literally caved in, but we never threw things away. So every time we were slated to have tacos, that pan showed up. I guess you could say it was part of the family. I think that's what food should do. Even when loved ones have passed on, I think really good food should remind you of the time that you've had together. Completely inspired by my aunt's old beat up frying pan, I'm gonna whip up some crispy pork taquitos with a lovely avocado crema. I'll start by cooking the pork in a hot skillet with oil. I'll be sure to add in lots of onions and garlic as the pork cooks. Then I'll season the pork with garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and chipotle chili powder. Salt and pepper are added to taste. And because I like my pork not to be too dry, I'll add in a little bit of chicken stock as it cooks down. Then, assembling the taquitos are simple. I'll take the pork mixture, add a little bit to the tortilla, sprinkle the cheese, and then I'll roll them tightly. I use a toothpick to hold them together. I'll repeat the process until they're all done. Then a light spray of cooking oil and they go off into a hot oven to crisp. Meanwhile, I'll make the avocado crema. It's just all of the best things that go into a blender. Sour cream, lime juice, salt, pepper, garlic, cilantro, jalapeno, and avocado. A quick blend and we could keep it cold until it's ready to serve. I'll garnish the finished taquitos with black olives, chopped tomato, and chopped cilantro, and a healthy drizzle of the avocado crema. One bite and then you're just transported right back to my aunt's kitchen with that old beat up frying pan. You gotta give this recipe a try. Recipes like this, you know where they're gonna be? On my website, it's dariuscooks.tv. There's two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. It's my food. Until next time, I have to wish you happy cooking from my heart to you.